Do you want to replace your existing windows and doors with UPVC double-glazed windows and doors, but don't know where to start? Don't worry. Getting a quote is quick and easy. Our team has years of experience and has replaced thousands of windows around Melbourne. Therefore, getting an online quote is the quickest and most efficient way to receive a detailed cost estimate for your window replacement project. All you need to do is send an email to info@windowstech.com.au with the following information: your full name and phone number, dimensions of the existing windows. You need to measure the width and the height of the overall opening. When measuring the width of your windows, you need to place the tip of the tape measure at the bottom of one corner of the windowsill and then measure all the way across to the other corner of the windowsill. Similarly, when measuring the height of the window, place the tip of the tape measure at the top corner of the windowsill and run the tape all the way to the bottom corner. Take a picture of the window or door you would like to replace. Attach the corresponding pictures to the email. Frame colour, type of opening. The most popular options are tilt and turn, awning, or sliding. Window location. Please specify if your windows are above ground level. Delivery address. Additional comments. Add any other details that can help us understand your project better. All this information can also be submitted through our website form. If you are building a new house or doing an extension, simply email us your plans or a window schedule. Once our team receives your information, they'll put a quote together within 24 to 48 hours. WindowsTech double glazing, European quality, made in Melbourne.